Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tax withholding adjustments with Social Security benefits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable tax withholding adjustments with your Social Security benefits, start by gathering your Social Security card and relevant tax documents. Visit the official Social Security Administration website. Log into your personal account or create one if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefits section. Find the option related to tax withholding or tax information. Review the current withholding status of your benefits. Decide whether you want to withhold a specific percentage or a flat amount. For percentage-based withholding, determine the exact percentage you wish to withhold. If opting for a flat amount, decide how much you want to withhold each month. Complete the required online form to adjust your withholding preferences. If you're unable to adjust your preferences online, consider calling the Social Security Administration directly. Prepare to provide your Social Security number and other identifying information when you call. Alternatively, you can complete a Form W-4V, the Voluntary Withholding Request. Download this form from the Social Security Administration website. Fill out the form according to your selected withholding preference. Mail the completed form to your local Social Security office. Wait for a confirmation from the Social Security Administration regarding your changes. Check your future benefit statements to ensure the withholding adjustments are in effect. If adjustments are not reflected, follow up with the Social Security Administration. Stay informed about any changes in tax laws that may affect your benefits and withholding. Regularly review your financial situation to ensure your withholding remains adequate. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your tax withholding on Social Security benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.